equation. Let us consider an equation x plus y minus 2 is equals to 0. This type of equation is known as a linear equations in the two variables. Variables means unknown, that is x and y. So in this type of linear equations, we will get unlimited numbers of solutions. So if there is a linear equations of two variables, so we can get unlimited numbers of solution. For example, x plus y minus 2 is equals to 0. From here I can write x is equals to minus 2. When it goes this side it becomes plus 2, and plus y when it goes this side it becomes a minus 1. So now I can put y is equals to 0. So if I put y is equals to 0, x is equals to 2. If I put y is equals to 1, then x is equals to 1. If I put y is equals to 2, x is equals to 0. Similarly, if I put y is equals to 3, x is equals to minus 1. So in this type of equation, we will get unlimited numbers of solution. It's unlimited numbers of solution. We will not get a particular solution for linear inequations in the two variables. Now let us consider two equations. X plus y minus 2 is equals to 0 and 2x plus y minus 4 is equals to 0. Name it equation number 1 and equation number 2. So two linear equations in two variables taken together are called a simultaneous linear equation. So if we take two linear equations in two variables taken together are called simultaneous linear equations, and in this type of equations we will get particular solution for x and y. That means we will get the particular value of x and y which satisfy both the equation. We'll discuss it afterwards. And simultaneous linear equation can be solved by the method of substitution, elimination method, and a cross multiplication method. So now let's discuss substitution method in this lesson. You heard the word substitution in famous soccer game where one player is substituted by another. So let me explain a substitution method in simultaneous linear equations with the help of an example. Example number 1. Let's take an equation x plus y is equals to 14 and x minus y is equals to 4. Step number 1. We need to follow the step. Step number 1. We'll name a first equation by equation number 1 and a second equation by equation number 2. Now we will solve equation number 1 first. So from 1, you need to write equation number 1. X plus y is equals to 14. So from here we'll get the value x is equals to 14 and y will go this side, so minus y. Now we got x is equals to 14 minus y. So make it equation number 3. This is the first step. I'll repeat. First we'll name two equations as 1 and 2. You have independent choice, so I'll take equation 1. So from equation 1, x plus y is equals to 14. So from here I'll get x is equals to 14 and y will come this side is minus y. And I'll mark it as equation number 3. Next, now putting x is equals to 14 minus y in equation number 2 we'll get, or you can say substituting the value of x is equals to 14 minus y in equation number 2 we'll get. Now in equation number 2, instead of x, I'll substitute the value of x by 14 minus y. So my equation number 2 is x minus y is equals to 4. So now the value of x is substituted by 14 minus y. So minus y is equals to 4. So minus remain minus y is 2y is equals to 4. When plus 14 goes this side and becomes a minus 14. So minus 2y is equals to 14 minus 4 is minus 10. This minus and this minus will get cancelled. So y is equals to 10 divided by 2. 10 divided by 2. Now y is equals to 5. So after cancellation, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Now putting y is equals to 5 in equation number 3. In equation number 3 we'll get equation number 3 is x is equals to 14 minus y. So now this value of y is replaced by 5. So now x is equals to 14 minus y. So now from here I'll get x is equals to 9. So x is equals to 9 and y is equals to 5. So these two values satisfy both the equation. Let's take another example. S minus t is equals to 3, and another equation is s by 3 plus t by 2 is equals to 6. So if we can see that, I can see here a fraction is there, a problem is here, isn't it? So first let's solve this one. So I'll take a LCM of 3 and 2 is 6, then 2 into s is 2s plus 3 into t is 3t is equals to 6. Now by cross multiplication, 2s plus 3t is equals to 6 6 are 36. Now I can see a 2 equation. Now I can see a 2 equation, this and this in the simple form. No fraction is there. Now I will follow the step. So I'll mark it equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. So now from equation 1, s minus t is equals to 3. I'll get s is equals to 3. When you come this side, minus t become a plus t. So I'll mark it equation number 3. Putting s is equals to 3 plus t in equation 2 will get, that means now I will substitute the value of s by 3 plus t. Equation number 2, instead of s, check here, instead of s I'll write 3 plus t plus 3t is equals to 36. Rest remains the same, only the value of s is substituted by 3 plus t. Then simplification, 2 3s are 6 plus 2 into t is 2t plus 3 into t is 3t is equals to 36. Now plus 6 will go that side, plus 6 will go this side, it becomes a minus 6. 2 plus 3 is equals to 5t. So now t is equals to 30 by 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 6 are 30, so t is equals to 6. Now again putting t is equals to 6 in equation number 3. Equation number 3 is s is equals to 3 plus t. So now this t is replaced by 6, so I'll get s is equals to 3 plus 6, s is equals to 9, x is equals to 9. So I'll get s is equals to 9 and t is equals to 6. It satisfies both equation number 1 and equation number 2. Okay, next question is like this. Solve 2x plus y is equals to 35, comma 3x plus 4y is equals to 65. Hence find the value of x by y. So first equation is 2x plus y is equals to 35. I'll mark it equation number 1. And another equation is 3x plus 4y is equals to 65. I'll mark it equation number 2. From equation number 1, 2x plus y is equals to 35. Now look my dear, here I have a coefficient of x is equals to 2, but coefficient of y is 1. So what I will do is that now I will just send this 2x this side. Y is equals to 35 minus 2x to avoid a fraction, so be careful. So here instead of x is equals to, I'll write y is equals to 35, 2x will goes this side, it becomes a minus 2x. Now we follow the process. I'll mark it equation number 3. Putting y is equals to 35 minus 2x in equation number 2. Equation number 2, 3x plus 4y is equals to 65. Now I'll substitute the value of y by 35 minus 2x. So 3x plus 4, y means 35 minus 2x is equals to 65. So 3x plus 4 into 35 is 140, minus 4 to the 8x is equals to 65. So I'll get minus 8x plus 3x is minus 5x is equals to 65, and plus 40, when it goes this side it becomes a minus 40. So now x is equals to 140 minus 65 is minus 75. This will come down, minus 70, minus and minus will get cancelled. 5 1s are 5, 5 15s are 75. So x is equals to 15. Putting x is equals to 15 in equation number 3. Equation number 3 is y is equals to 35 minus 2x. So y is equals to 35 minus 2. Instead of x, I'll write 15. I'll get y is equals to 35 minus 2 into 15 is 30. So y is equals to 5. But the question says that we need to find the value of x by y. So x by y is equals to 15 by 5. Cancellation, I'll get 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. So it's 3. That means x by y is equals to